loving can hurt.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Thank you for your love, understanding, and patience for the Humanistas. Thank you.
Good day, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day po. More patient pa po sa aming 12 youths and sana po habaan pa po yung pasensya. Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Thank you for all your efforts and sa mahabang pasensya sa kakulitan namin. Yan lang.
Us feel alive.
Hi, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day. Enjoy your day kasi araw mo to. And sorry kung lagi kami late, tapos hindi kami dadala ng biscuit, tapos nagsiselfon habang may klase, tapos natutulog habang may klase. Sorry po. We love you. Hi, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you sa mahabang patient mo and sana maging masaya ka today dahil araw to ng mga teachers. And yun lang, thank you ulit. Thank you for Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan.
Hi sir, Happy Teacher's Day. Always remember, smile always.
Hi, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day. I know that you will do your best for us. Yes, I wish you the best. Thank you so much for being a good teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Hi Sir Ryan, Happy Teacher's Day. Sana po huwag po kayo magalit sa amin. Pag-ayusin nila po namin pag-aaral namin. Thank you po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Salamat po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo para sa amin.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Thank you for the efforts and patience sa amin.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Sir Ryan. May birthday twin. Tatry po namin yung best namin para hindi maging makulit. Tapos mahal na mahal ka po namin. I love you!
Hi, Sir. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for the support and the guidance and for being you sa amin. Yeah.
Hi, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day po. Stay free. Habaan niyo po po pasensya sa amin. Love you. Hi, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you kasi sobrang haba ng pasensya niyo sa amin.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Much love to you.
Happy Teacher's Day, sir. Thank you for being a good advisor to us.
Happy Teacher's Day, sir. Thank you for everything.
Happy Teacher's Day, sir. Just always remember, mahal na mahal ka ng yung. Hello Sir Ryan, Happy Teacher's Day nga pala sa'yo. Sorry kung sobrang ulit namin. Sa Tiago nga pala yung mga kaklase namin, alam mo, kulit talaga kami lang nagkakadya. Yun na sir. Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Thank you for being there for us. We love you, sir.
Hi, Sir. Happy Teacher's Day po. And I hope you will be happy. You will be happy. Then I hope you will enjoy your day. And you will enjoy our day.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Sir Ryan. Thank you po for always guiding us and loving us. And sa pag-support po sa amin, lalo na po sa akin sa Lakapili. Thank you for always believing in what we can do and what we will do in the future. Thank you, sir. Happy Teacher's Day po.
I just wanted to say na thank you so much sa lahat ng suporta na binibigay mo sa akin, sa mga kaklase ko. We will always appreciate those efforts that you constantly give us. Thank you so much again and Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Sir Ryan. Thank you for guide and support.
Inside these pages, you just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home.
Hello po, Sir Ryan. First of all po, I want to thank you for guiding and teaching me lifelong lessons as well as for being my one call away second parent and for being our number one moral supporter. I want you to always remember po that you always and forever have a place in our hearts and may you meet more and more people to inspire and love as much as you did to Saint Stephen. Thank you po, Sir Ryan, and Happy Teacher's Day.
Happy Teacher's Day sa pinakamaganda kong teacher sa UCSP at Polgov and more. Charot. I miss you, sir. I love you. This is your pinakamagandang Vice President. Charot! I love you, sir. I miss you. Promise ko sa'yo, sir, pupuntahan kita dyan. Lalo na pag pwede yung outsider. Gusto kong magchikahan tayo muli at unahin mo ang aking mga mali. Charot! Lagi mong tandaan, sir, daldal ako lahat ng payo and tips mo sa akin. Lagi kitang naaalala, mahihirapan man ako, nahihirapan man ako, o hindi, lagi kitang naaalala. Salamat, sir. Ikaw ang dahilan ba't ako nandito sa Edu na parang dapat hindi na lang. Charot! Okay lang, sir. After 4 years, dyan ako unang magtuturo para sa'yo para maging barkada kita. Charot! Love you, sir. Happy Teacher's Day. Deserve mo lahat ng love na nanggagaling sa yung mga students. Lagi mong tandaan yan. I miss you. Miss kong alagaan mo ko. Miss kong payuhan mo ako. Lalo na pag nagiging mataray ako sa lahat. Lalo na kapag nai-stress na ako sa dami ng gagawin. Salamat, sir. Sobra. I love you. I miss you, Sir Ryan. Happy Teacher's Day. Kiss. Charot.
Lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for me to come home.